What's going on, guys? Dave with Expedition Georgia. Today we're going to install these NFab Predator Pro Steps on our 2015 4Runner Trail. We chose the Predator Steps over sliders for their functionality, lightweight, and durability. This should be a fairly simple installation requiring only a socket and a wrench. The first step is you're going to remove 6 factory bolts with a 12mm socket here, here, and here. Per NFab's instructions, take those factory bolts and throw them away. The old bolts are 12mm, however the new bolts are going to be 13mm, so you'll have to change socket. One thing to note is the 2 different size washers. The larger ones go in the middle and the smaller ones on the outsides. These steps are incredibly light. There's no easy way to do this by yourself, so having a friend helps a lot. You're going to start in the center, hand tight on these 2 bolts, and then work your way out. Get them hand tight first and then torque them down starting with the middle. So in just 30 minutes and very minimal tools, you can have these NFab steps installed.